Hello, my friend. I'm Elon Kane. Have you ever wished you could make money from just one simple design? That's what a Canva template can do. And today I'll show you step by step how to turn Canva templates into cash. A Canva template is like a ready-made dress. The style is already created, but you add your colors, your name, your details. People love templates because they save time. Teachers use them for worksheets, shop owners use them for flyers, students use them for resumes. Create once, and many people can reuse it. First, choose what people need. It could be menus, business cards, or resumes. Next, design in Canva. Use clean fonts, simple colors, and make it easy to edit. After that, share the template link or save the file. It's that easy. No coding, no stress. Canva does the hard part. You just add creativity. Finally, let's make money. You can sell templates on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own shop. Every time someone buys, you earn again. It's like cooking a big pot of soup. One pot serves many bowls. Canva templates are passive income. Work once, get paid many times. First, templates save time. Next, you can make them easily in Canva. Finally, you can sell them on marketplaces. One design today can create a money stream tomorrow. Now it's your turn. Open Canva, make your first template, and list it online. Success grows step by step. Helpful tools waiting in the description. I'm Elon Kane, and I'll be here guiding you every step of the way, so keep moving and always think big.